Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to disable auto download in WhatsApp Business. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the WhatsApp application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and link your phone number with the device that you want to link it to. But guys, if you're having a hard time doing this, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to WhatsApp videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see here, we have the bar where we have the updates, calls, we have the tools where we are at the moment, we have the chats where you can see all your chats, and we have the settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and disable auto download in WhatsApp Business. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do guys is go and open the WhatsApp where there will be the main screen, and then guys you just need to go and click on the three vertical dots and then move to settings. Then click on when you're in settings, click on the chat settings, which is, as you can see, the third option guys out of all of these options here. So the chat is here. Click on the chat settings, then to media auto download, disable auto downloads of images, audio and video, and that's basically how you can do it guys. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. And guys, this really helps us grow the channel, so if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one as always on this channel. That will be all. Bye guys.